Get any more down the bottom done, we will.
Yeah. Not done.
But we will drive through it steadily so that we don't antagonise the neighbours.
No, all the natives, right?
I don't think we're going to get anything done down there, Ed.
No, that's alright. What we do is, I just do that one there, and then we just carry on around, and then just for the sake of this, then I'll send it to you later.
Yeah.
Then you can show, you can show the plan then. Shall I get the truck? Jesus Christus.
There.
It's nuts, something.
We ain't doing nothing down here, Ed.
No, definitely not, no.
Fucking hell, nothing at all. They're kind of going to float away.
It is. I'll go away to the back, shall I?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah.
Anything for the fun of it.
This is fucking bad shit, man.
We're in Venice.
So, yeah.
That bloke I showed you about there, one woman had her shopping turn up there, lift it over the fence from his place so she could take it into her caravan.
Yeah. Well, this is really sort of...
Because in a way it's a good job a lot of these caravans are all raised up, isn't it?
Yeah. That's it then. No, there's nothing more we can do here.
Hold on just a minute. No, a bit further down. I want to get a photograph of the table and chairs in the middle of the water.
Yeah, just try not to go too... Well, that's what the guy means about not going too...
There you go, Ed. There's the picnic area.
That is, yeah.
enough snapshots now that they will not be able to say we were able to do it.
Yeah.
And it also shows no one's had the break stupidity to put their caddies out.
No, which is good.
You can't go around there, they've blocked it off.
Yeah. That's alright. At least we're going slow. We've got to go slow, and then otherwise we'll end up with what do you call it, lynch mobs.
Yeah.
They're going to be very interested in seeing that video at work in the office. Right. Now you guys have it, well, I'm going to say have a good one, but you're probably going to have a wet one. Yeah. Think of that song. Row, row, row. She was singing it as well, so she's... Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. I was going to say have a good weekend. Just don't forget your little boat. Okay, right, Joe. Stop here and I shall just